Hi folks, this scene that you're seeing out here is an Australian outback scene. It's on a country farm about 3 hours, probably 3.5 hours west of Brisbane along the Kingaroy Yarraman Highway into, into the west of the country. This is a small farm, it's not very big, but big enough for a family of two to live on. And here you see campfires being lit. The occasion is the farmer's 60th birthday party, and the farmer is my brother-in-law. And we've gathered here, family and friends, old classmates and neighbors in Yarraman and beyond that have come together to celebrate Frank Hodkinson's 60th birthday party in Yarraman. Soon we'll be gathering around this bonfire that's being lit right in front of us, and in the far background you can see sheep running around in the paddock, and in the hills beyond are cattle and horses. The sun has just about gone beyond those hills, and behind me is the farmhouse that tomorrow I will give you a look into. I hope you've enjoyed a scene in the outback as the sun sets in Yarraman.